front of you. Try to value the things that you have right now. Spread the message of brotherhood amongst everyone before it becomes too late. Dear friends, let me tell you something. We take life as something which is very difficult, as a burden sometimes. A lot of professionals would agree with me. Sometimes they are fed up with their bosses, sometimes with their wives, spouse, partners. They think that it's a big hurdle. But life is like an ice cream. When you achieve something, you put a cherry on it. Just take it very smooth, calm. Just be very happy about it and take it very coolly before you realize it's too late. So dear friends and fellow Toastmasters, life is like ice cream. Eat it, enjoy it as much as you can, and do not forget to eat the cone as well. Thank you.
Now we have silence for 1 minute. Observe this mark. Ravi, the rest on me. Life is an ice cream. Life is an
Think of life as a rainbow, and in the rainbow you have 7 different colors of the rainbow, which you can see in an ice cream. And imagine the way you can see your pleasures when you eat an ice cream, and the rainbow colors you can see in the ice cream, and the way you can consume it is something that you can enjoy or talk about in life in general. What is an ice cream? Basically, it's a combination of different ingredients that goes towards making something which is a dessert which everybody enjoys. And at the end of the day, what is life after all? It is a mix of feelings, it's a mix of emotions, it's a mix of joy, sorrow. So a multi-layered sundae is what I would think life can be thought about as. So when you say life is an ice cream, I think you can reduce your entire life to an equation which is basically an ice cream. I'd like to end by saying, I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
We'll observe silence for 1 minute now.
Please hold your applause till she says the topic, because then the participant can't hear the topic, right? So hold the applause till he shakes her hand and is ready to sort of start the meeting.
Because the first and most complex question that was asked to me was, what came first, the hen or the egg? But I really believe that my life is just like an ice cream. When I was born in the past, I was born in a small place, like my speech before, in a place called Gharcooper, among the hills. I enjoyed my life. As a young kid, I loved to be a scientist. I always wanted to go ahead, but I didn't become a scientist. Present, I work in a company called Bose Corporation. I'm into sales and marketing. I would love to travel the world. I have a lot of ambition, a lot of things to do, and a lot of plans and people to meet. That is what I'm doing right now. In fact, I've got two roommates, my mom and my dad. In the future, I see myself in a chair, rocking across life on nice blue water, on a ship with two hot chicks by my side. I have written 2 books which have made me millions of dollars, and now I come back to the present. I really believe in life that you need to treat your life as an ice cream. Because as you know, an ice cream tastes good, but an ice cream will melt. You need to realize the importance of that ice cream and lap it while it's still in your hands and before somebody else takes it away from you. So remember, God helps those who help themselves. And remember that when you are at a buffet, because if you don't help yourself and the food gets over, then God help you. Over to you.
Now we will observe 1 minute of silence for the judges to mark the balance. Natraj and Lalguri. Life is an ice cream. Life is an ice cream, Natraj and Lalguri.
Tonsils. I was literally born with them. Never drank anything cold till the time I was a teenager. And ladies and gentlemen, respected contestant, never had an ice cream till the time I was 12 years old. The journey of reluctantly having ice creams continued till the time I was 20, all of 20, and went to the wonderful, wonderful city of Ahmedabad, in Gujarat. But eating ice creams was a matter of religion. So you had the most popular ice cream outlet in that city, which was called Have More. So how could me, a person who was allergic to ice cream, resist the endure? So I had more and enjoyed the journey of eating ice cream. True to my basic nature of liking a few things and partaking of them again and again, 99 out of every 100 ice creams I would have had would have been strawberry. But yes, the city of Ahmedabad taught me that life indeed is an ice cream. Because you can enjoy life, you can have a zest for living. And ice creams, my friends, are a metaphor for telling us that life has more to it than the sad moments of life. As Albert Camus, the famous French philosopher, said, in the depths of winter, I finally learned that there lay in me an invincible summer. Over to you.
We will now observe silence for 1 minute. Sanjay Pradhani. Life is an ice cream. Life is an ice cream. Sanjay Pradhani.
Yes, you're doing my favorite topic, ice cream. I just love ice creams. I like strawberry, butterscotch. No, I like only strawberry and butterscotch. Life is an ice cream. Life sure is an ice cream. It need not melt away. It should be as nice, hard, and slurpy. Life has got its own wonderful days. Beautiful, creamy, melty, licky stuff. But still, life is an ice cream, I'm sure. What do we do when a person goes blank? Life is an ice cream. To this day, I've had so many ice creams that my friends keep telling me that I can eat at least about 10 ice creams a day. There was a friend of mine who also used to eat at least about 10, 15 ice creams a day, and after that he started controlling himself, so he said, I'm going to eat only on Saturdays and Sundays. Life is an ice cream.
So now observe silence for 1 minute. Juicer Uday Puri. Life is an ice cream. Life is an ice cream. Juicer Uday Puri.
Life is an ice cream, and this ice cream is called success, and we all long our tongues for this ice cream. But I tell you, success or ice cream eludes all of us. There is no such thing called success. The only reality that you have in your life is that of failure. We fail as individuals, we fail as fathers, we fail as husbands, we fail as men. And it is this large mass of failures which constitutes this world and which makes the world move. Life as an ice cream is what the marketing gimmick does to you. You are given this lollipop all the time. Take it, eat it, lick it, enjoy it. But you see, I am the devil's advocate. I do not believe in falling for such cheap gimmicks. I believe life is not an ice cream. Life is a hot soup. You've got to drink it 1 spoon at a time. You've got to taste it. See the tangy taste flowing in your mouth. There is no sweetness. There is salt, there is pepper, there is chili. You may get an occasional tidbit of sweetness. But just as my tongue is not all sweets and all the corner, it has got bitterness, it has got salt, it has got sweet. So life is an ice cream, can't be so. Life is a full spectrum of colors. There is black, there is white, there is red, there is yellow. And all these colors are the colors of our emotions. These are the colors that govern our life. How would you feel if you're happy all the time? Boring. How would you feel if you're tearful all the time? Creepy. You've got to be happy, you've got to be boring, you've got to be sad, depending upon the situation, because even sadness has its own taste. So life is certainly not an ice cream. Over to you, Dr. Chair.